Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Webonsky. Today we will learn how to integrate a Textlocal API in JavaScript. Before moving forward, I would like to explain what is a Textlocal exactly and what are the features it provides. Textlocal is one of the very famous Indian SMS gateway provider which provides feature of bulk SMS anybody can use in website to enhance feature of his business and customer interaction using SMS. We can use these messages for transactional or promotional purposes like OTP and invitation of registration link of the website. So this is exactly the text local is, and what are the features it provides. You can easily send powerful bulk SMS campaigns. Very easy to integrate its SMS gateway APIs. You can use images, PDF and videos attached to your SMS. There are other features also like connect with your customers via WhatsApp. So customer will get messages in WhatsApp as well if you use Textlocal. So it provides this feature as well. Now how you can integrate in JavaScript. Let's see the example. This is the URL to send the SMS. Just append API key, numbers, sender and message with actual values here. You will need to put API key here, then those numbers on which you want to send SMS, and this is the text local, and you will need to pass your message in this function. What does this function do? This function encodes your message like obviously our messages have spaces and sometimes it can have some special characters, so this function will take care and encode it in such a way that is supported by text local. Otherwise, if you don't use this function, it may throw some errors and your message will not be sent. So let's see how we can integrate it. We have Axios and we are putting the URL which we built just above. If it gets successfully sent the message, it will execute this callback function. You will able to console your data received from the Textlocal API. If there is any error, it will execute this function. And finally, this is the callback which will always get executed. So you will need to write some code here which you want to execute all the time. Here we have used Axios to make HTTP requests. So you need to install this package. So take care of that. Let us see how we can use or integrate Textlocal APIs in PHP as well. So as you may be aware that whenever we want to integrate any API or something in PHP, we use curl. So here as well we will use curl, but I will show you with get request as well as the post request. First we will see the get request. So we have URL encode. This is the PHP function. You guys may be aware of that. Put the API key here. Then all the numbers where you want to send your message, all will be in comma separated. Put your message in this function and then all these variables pass it here and make return or everything in this variable. Now we are using the curl code. Here we are passing our data. This is the one, and once you execute it and print, you will get the response from the Textlocal API, and you will able to see its whether it is success or not success, or you have any error. Now let's try to to see post requests. So to integrate a post request API in PHP, we will use this code. Pass your API key here, the numbers you want to send SMS to, and the message goes here, and this is the number because we are imploding this number with the comma because we have used all the numbers in an array. So now we are to make it as a string, as you know that we will need to implode it with comma, and you will receive a string of numbers with comma separated. Now we are preparing an array keeping all these values here: API key, numbers, and sender, then the message. And we are using this data variable in this curl request here. Now if you execute this code and print your response, you will be able to see the response you received from Textlocal API. If you are interested to see its prices and integration references, you can go to these URLs. Like, let me show you. This is the Textlocal website URL. So this is the Textlocal API website. You can go through each sections and see whatever you want to know about. And this is the URL or website, I mean the section of the website where you can see the integration process or pricing also. So it is a flexible bulk SMS pricing. You can see many things like 10 messages free, 1000 messages by $295, and many more. And this is the integration process, how you can integrate it. See, we have code examples that we can use. So there are step-by-step references that you can follow and get this SMS gateway integrated in your website. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe.